Now we are going to talk about 5 top uses of tail command with example. So in front of you is my Kali Linux terminal, okay, and I made a file so we can play with this file. It's simulating a log file, and we can play with this file and to see the tail command in action. Okay, so first of all I will show you the file. Let's see the file, cat sample log, cat sample log txt. Okay, so here's the file. The file is 50 lines long. Okay, here is the line 51 for line 52 that I added, so we can play with it. Okay, now the first command that we will try, it's the regular command. It will display 10 lines. Okay, if you not writing any handles in the command, it will display 10 lines. For example, tail sample log txt. Okay, what we see? We see 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we also can play with this. If you want 5 lines, 4 lines, 8 lines, 50 lines, all we need to do is to write tail, okay, minus n, and how much lines from the bottom of the file we want to see. Let's see, let's make 5, okay, sample log txt. What you see is the 5 lines from the bottom of the file. Okay, also you can make the same, but you can make 15, and then we will see the 15 lines, 1, 2, and other 13. Okay, so the next use is the -f options. It is for real-time monitoring. Okay, let's track files update in real time. For this, all you need to do is tail -f, and then the name of the file, sample log txt. Okay, now you can see there is no prompt because the command is ongoing command. As long as I add lines to these files, you will see that they will add up from the bottom of the file. It is used in logs files when you want to see the new lines with real time. In order to show you this one, how it works, I will make another terminal. Okay, I will enter as a root for me. Okay, and now I will echo line 53 and put it in the same file, sample log point txt. Okay, enter, and I will make another file, echo line 54 sample log txt. Okay, now we added 2 lines. So if we will go back on the file that I monitor, you can see that here is 2 lines there that were added. As long as I added lines to the file, they were added to the monitor, to my monitoring, with the -f command. Okay, now I will make Ctrl C. Okay, and now I ended this action, and I will not see the lines that will go along. Okay, now there is display bytes instead of lines. Okay, you can ask how many bytes you want from the tail command to show you. Okay, and it will show. For example, let's make tail -c. Let's make 13 bytes. Okay, sample log txt. Okay, and all you see here is the 30 bytes. If you will count all those bytes, you will see this is a sum of 30 bytes. Okay, you can make it let's say 10. Okay, and you can make it 100. Okay, instead of lines, you get bytes from the bottom of the file. And now let's go to the last command, to the last use of tail command that I want to show you. If we used before the commands that were going from the bottom, okay, from the bottom of the file, and we set how much lines we want, there is option to merge to display from a specific line till the end. Okay, so if we have from the specific line, let's say tail minus n plus 45. Okay, sample var txt. Okay, so what I said, I asked the computer show me sample var file, but start from the line 45. Okay, sorry, what did I write wrong? Sample log, sorry. Okay, so here is 45. The computer started showing me from the 45 till the end. Okay, so here is the 5 uses that I wanted to show you of the tail command that we can use.